Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how automatic allocation works. As we explained in the previous video, allocation is done in two ways in this system, automatic and manual. You can see how manual allocation is done in another video. We will focus on automatic allocation in this video. For automatic allocation to work, it's necessary that the parameters for all our users are set once. After that, we can perform automatic allocation. The area where executives work needs to be made visible to them. Based on this visibility, automatic allocation occurs. Let's see how automatic allocation works in this process. First, we go to Allocation and take the file that needs to be uploaded. We take the file and submit it. After submitting, the headers in the files and the headers of our system match with each other, so they are displayed on the screen. See, all of them have matched. If any header doesn't match, it doesn't appear here, and we have to manually click here to match it, and we proceed from here. Select the portfolio, which product this data is for. We took this file for TW Flow. The name of the supervisor has been appeared, and we proceeded. After proceeding, we need to see the summary of this file. How many cases are there in each bucket? What is the total POS? What is the total dues? What is the total record? We are uploading loan numbers, so we check if there are any duplicate loan numbers or existing loan numbers we are already working on. The system doesn't take them. See, there are 1737 new loan numbers here. This much is the total POS, and this much is the total dues. You should confirm by verifying POS, so if there is any case missing in POS, you will know. If the total POS mismatches, then the file isn't correct, so we can check it. We verified it and confirmed. After confirmation, it takes 2 to 3 minutes to upload this file because we are processing 1737 cases at once. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes after uploading the file. The cases for the area where we have set parameters for users, where we have made users visible, if those cases are in this file, they are automatically allocated and moved to auto-assigned, and the cases for the area we haven't made visible go to no service area. Any case for the area we cover but haven't given to any user goes to unassigned. The area we haven't taken in the system goes to no service area. So whenever we upload the file, cases can go to 3 places: no service area, unassigned, and auto-assigned. See, the file has been uploaded. There were 1737 cases in this file, out of which 824 cases came to unassigned. Then go to no service area. See that 97 cases have come to no service area. It means either we don't cover this area, or we missed taking this area code in the system. If we don't cover the area, we can download an NSA report, withdraw those cases, and send them back to the bank. And if we cover the area, we either have to manually allocate them or make this area visible so that we can work on these cases. The cases that have gone into unassigned means that the area is present in our system, but we haven't assigned this area to the executives assigned for this portfolio. Therefore, it's in unassigned, and either we have to make this area visible to those users by going into their parameters, or we have to manually allocate these cases. The cases in auto-assigned mean that this area is covered by our executives, and we have made it visible to them. So, these cases have been automatically allocated. See, Mridul got 40 cases, Manoj Sen got 24, Lakshit got 61, Ankur got 13, and their total POS is also displayed. Now, we just need to select all and approve them. We need to go to the filter and select the portfolio for which these cases are. See, there are 910 cases. We select all and then select approval for the selected ones. If you need to make any changes, such as if Mridul doesn't need the cases, you can click on Action and you can reassign. delete, or reject them. After selecting all, we have selected approval. By doing this, these cases have been sent to all these executives' mobile apps. They are associated with the IDs of their callers. All users can start their work. See, now these cases are in the agency location. We have applied a filter for the same product. 910 cases have come here. Now, we can start working on these 910 cases. For cases in our no service area or unassigned, you can see how to manually allocate them in our other video, where we have explained manual allocation in detail. So, you can see from there how automatic allocation works. For more information, please watch our other videos. Thank you.